Hey, this is day two that there has been no birds whatsoever, either early in the morning or throughout the day that I've noticed. Me and my fiance went to a pond or lake, you can call it, and there was ducks, but there were only like five that we noticed, and they were all sitting on the ground, not moving, kind of huddled up. Um, but I find it odd that at this time of year that there's not one bird anywhere and it's silent. Sorry, let me shut off this light. But as you can clearly see or hear, nothing. Not a damn bird anywhere. Um, Please leave a comment below. Let me know if this is happening near you. I'm 50 miles north from Sacramento in California, so let me know what you guys are experiencing your side of the plains. Out.